I'm just making a quick video for you guys, showing how to change the PCV valve in front of the engine. This is the PCV valve here. This is the 10mm. This is the PCV valve. You see, you have to shake it. See, when you shake it, you can hear it. That's the PCV valve. That means this is the new one. This is good. It's supposed to move back and forth. This is the part number 17130-RCA-A02. It was about $18 from the Acura dealer. You just use a 10mm socket. To break the bolt loose. I already broke the bolt loose already. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah, you guys know how to do that. So there's a screw. Put that up here. Wiggle this out. Oh, this PCV valve is fucking dirty as hell. See? This one's not even moving inside. It's like stuck. This one is stuck. It's closed. See, you hear it? Oh, no. It's moving a little now. It's actually moving a little. This one's moving good. The new one. This one was barely moving. So I'm gonna just get a rag. Clean off the outside here. Sorry about that. This freaking paint is chipping off. What the hell? I'll clean that off. I'll slide this back in. Push in. Snaps in. Take the screw, 10mm. Just snug it. That's it. Change your PCV valve. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. This lets air into the intake to let fresh air into the motor. Alright. It's in tight, it's good. This is the old one. But you can definitely tell. It's supposed to be changed out around every 60,000 miles. I'm at 100, so, you know, that's why I replaced it. It's a cheap part, and it gives you better gas mileage when you replace them. So I should notice a little bit of difference in gas for the PCV valve. But like I said, if you take it out, you shake it, and you don't hear no noise, that means it's clogged. And that means that's why you're probably getting bad gas mileage. So replace this, the PCV valve. I gave you guys the part number, which I'm going to give you guys again. It's 17130-RCA-A02. It's about $18 to $20 or whatever from AcuraPartsForLess.com. And that's about it. It was simple. You didn't have to take off any of the engine covers, nothing. Just go to the front of the engine, take out the 10mm, unscrew it, screw the new one back in, line this up so it sits perfectly, and then just tighten it down. And that's it. Good to go. Heard the dealer charges about $80 to do that, just to install that. So there you go. You save yourself $80. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.